I've set the wedding date, I've not asked her out how software projects are managed yet. Please do not swim, I'm an animation developer. Therefore, it's day of vibe coding, enter your age, user with this age already exists, I'll kill it, relevant work experience, excellent interviewing skills, pixel perfect portfolio, master's degree from Paris, and a buddy who works at the company. Alif, else if otherwise. User will be left behind, all destroys your brain, and your brain. Are you sure? Yes, project copilot my. All eyed after send, still broken for the time. Pengle opens open. Junior. Purely theoretically, how would you remove an epi that was accidentally committed to the repository? Senior. Key. How first-year students feel after telling Python devs that their programs would be faster in a compiled language, and then realizing they're still going to take hours to compile. And the punchline. Gentlemen, it is with great pleasure that I inform you that today received an epi spec as screenshots of sun pasted into an Excel file, but honestly who needs that when you can just use a real epi? Will you be my Valentines? Yes, no, read answer. If answer yes, then echo Happy Valentine's Day. Else no preserve a foot fi, because even programmers need to celebrate love but not too much. Don't shoot, I'm a programmer. Can you fix my printer? Shoot. Because when it comes to coding and printing, we're always under pressure. But not as much as the paper jam in our lives. Senior dev. Hey junior dev, enjoying your lunch? Junior dev. Yes, patiently waiting to mention that I crashed the production server this morning. I'm a vibe coder, scare me with a word, Microsoft developer, GitHub bug. When you create a GitHub account without knowing Git, period, and then it doesn't matter what programming language you use as long as it works for you and you like it. Writing whole projects as students, writing lines of code as salaried employees, period, enough for today. Keep the pace, you see it works, maybe we should pause and check the AI-generated code. No, comma, it doesn't matter what programming language you use as long as it works for you and you like it. It doesn't matter what programming language you use as long as it works for you and you like it, period. Prime programmers, prime minds. Code that you finish reading at and then it's over, that's what we should be talking about. Rust dependency names. Exum, Leptus, Tokyo, Toxus, React Native dependency names. React Native Camera, React Native Role, Linear Gradient, Firebiscuit, Tovitsk. No further explanation needed. When a Python developer is asked to optimize for performance, the DAO is over. Right now that's what we should be talking about. Unmaintainable code leaves company, no further explanation needed. Devs don't even defend their build systems anymore, they just look at you like this. Me listening to the boss after his plan doubled the bug count, and it's Excel, from a cool castle. Rome wasn't built in a day, but didn't have Claude code, they retweets quote tweets likes. Project. Recommended Python installs Python, doesn't work, and it says in flip cont. Draking riling developers picked at code fixing tester bugs. Client changing requirements, super mimi. Other programmers say you should switch to Rust bro. If coding is solved, what Claude operational Claude days uptime today Jill. How management be looking at years worth of technical debt if Stainer deploys another OL agent, everything will be alright. Button burst. Unmaintainable, the illusion, garbage code design patterns, domain driven design, just building hexagonal architecture, whatever works of free choice. Long page content display strategies, load infinite pagination, scroll on a page more whose footer has button relevant links info in gulp. Waterfall model in methodology, the real purpose of Agile is to talk about Agile, and that's the punchline. The look my project manager gives me when I tell her I'm moving to another dev team, mad with monkeys, and that's why. Vibey coding debugging, and that's the joke. I'm gonna major inks and get a fang job, I'll never bull say in bull bus fair year, and that's hilarious. Project manager, developers and designers, look how far we've abounded and then nothing eventuated, and that's the punchline.